Hey guys, it's Annette in Gelatin in far North Queensland, Australia. I'm just going to try another bloom swipe tonight using these colours here. I have a beautiful French ultramarine blue by Atelier. I have Jo Sonja dioxazine purple that has some Atelier free flow dioxazine purple added to it. I've got a pretty gold shimmery pigment by Artie Sue. The company is now finished, but you could use any gold pigment to give it a try, or gold paint. And I have a magenta, which is a Matisse one. All of those four mixed up with the Shelley pouring medium for the bloom technique, but I'm going to swipe it instead tonight. I'm not very good at blowing the paints out yet. I need more practice. And then I have two cell activators, and both are Amsterdam. There's a bright green, or reflex green I think it's called, and a blue. I can't remember the name of the blue, but it's Amsterdam. And these two are mixed with Floetrol. And the consistency, let's have a look, see. So that's pretty thick. That's the pouring medium one. I don't know if you can see that there. And the cell activator one with the Floetrol. It's quite thin. Alrighty. So I'm just going to use a tile in case I want to scrape it back off afterwards. And we have the base paint, which is known as a pillow. And I'll just use the white. And it's just a house paint. I'm using British Paints wall paint interior in white. Okay. The last one I did a like stripes out. I might just try circles, and we'll try that. See how we go. That was the French ultramarine blue and the dioxazine. And the gold pigment. And magenta. Which palette knife will I use? Might give this one a try, hey? So I'm just putting the cell activator just randomly on there. That's the blue. And then some green. Just shaking off the excess cell activator. Okay. And move everything out of the way because I'm a klutz. And we'll give it a try, hey? Ready? Ooh. Getting lots of cells there. I still need perfecting with this. I often miss this little bit in the middle here. Sometimes it doesn't seem to matter too much. When you spin it out, it'll have its own pattern, but yeah. I wonder if I can blow it a little bit with a straw. Doesn't seem to make that much difference, does it? Okay, let's leave it be. Alrighty, just get it towards the middle, and I'll do a gentle spin, and we'll have a look at it. Ooh la la! Wow, lots and lots and lots of cells. Okie dokie. My little stuff up. It's still not the best, but it's not too bad. Alright, one more spin and then I'll put you on pause and bring you down. You can have a look at it. Might be worth trying on a larger canvas, this one, I think. Interesting. Okay, hang on. I'll just put the camera on pause. Hopefully I won't turn you all off. Okie dokie, there she is. It's a 10 centimetre tile that I'm using here, I forgot to say, sorry. So, got some beautiful cells happened. The green and the blue is quite striking together as a cell activator. Very pretty. It's just that little bit in the middle that I stuffed up, which seems to be my usual stuff up area, but yeah, it's got promise, and I'll keep practicing and try a bigger one. Thanks for watching.